You want to know how? I made this dough. It takes 8. Huh? I'm gonna make a pear pie. Pear pie, but I made homemade dough. This dough is made homemade. It took 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, anywhere from 4 to 6 teaspoons of ice cold water. But you always want to blend the flour, the salt, and it took 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You wonder why? You wonder who? I'm gonna take half of this dough. Sit that in there and roll it. Guess what? This way going to the food bowl. Same damn team. Careless mistakes. Yeah, boys out there. Who? They with him. That was dumb. That was a dumb investment. He got money like that? Yeah, he got money like that to waste. But that's still expensive. This is the crust. These are diced pears mixed with sugar and cinnamon. I want to add a little more sugar. The sugar is going to automatically turn into syrup. Have cinnamon sugar in here. Tastes pretty good. I got my oven set. I'm going to do it on a slow cook to 350. My other piece of dough. Thanks to Sugar Babe teaching me how to make homemade dough.